Hi, I'm Bridget from eCloth, and I'm really excited to tell you about our high-performance dusting cloth. This is an amazing cloth for dusting, and the reason it's so amazing is because you use it dry. There are these long fibers in the cloth, it's very plush, and you don't need anything else. You just need the cloth. You don't need to buy refills or dusting wands or anything like that, just the cloth. When you dust anything in your home, you will see that it actually captures the dust in the cloth. So you're not just pushing it around. So no cleaning sprays are necessary when dusting in your house. All you want to do is take this cloth and clean the dust away from your shelves, from the back of your chairs, from piano keys, and you'll be so happy using this cloth and knowing that you're not damaging any furniture or anything in your home by using a cleaning spray to dust. After you've used your eCloth a few times, you want to throw it in the washing machine. Regular detergent is absolutely fine. Just no bleach, no fabric softener. The hotter the water, the better. And then after I've done that, I throw it in the dryer. No dryer sheets either. And then your cloth is good to go the next time you need to clean. So please like and subscribe and comment below so you can tell us what you like about eCloth.